What's up guys, this is Jordan here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the Oneplus Buds Z Truly wireless Bluetooth earphones, and let me help you make a purchase decision. As we know, OnePlus had earlier launched the regular Oneplus Buds, which are half in-ear design like the original AirPods, but this time they have the Buds Z, which are full in-ear earbuds with silicone tips. So can the OnePlus compete with the wide range of truly wireless earphones available in the market with its Buds Z? Let's find out. Taking a look at the box, the OnePlus Buds Z come in a red and white colored packaging, and this is all what we get in the box. I purchased them at the price of 2,999 Indian rupees from OnePlus India. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. Now, just to give you a physical overview, on the back of the charging case there is a USB Type-C port for charging and a reset button, whereas on the front we get a LED light which glows while the case is being charged. Then inside the case we have the magnetic charging contact pins. On the earbuds we find the touch area, microphone, and on the back we have the charging contacts. As for the build quality, the case is made up of plastic which looks good enough, and it comes in a glossy white color which doesn't look cheap at all. The magnet is quite strong enough and manages to hold the earbuds firmly in its place. The earbuds on the other hand are also made up of good quality plastic and feels premium and look kinda similar to the Apple AirPods. So overall, I was satisfied with the build quality. Connecting the earphone to your phone was very quick and easy. Simply open the earphones case with the earphones in it, then turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone, locate OnePlus Buds, and then click Connect to pair your earbuds with your phone. Simple. As for the touch controls, they worked really well as claimed by the company. The touch area is big enough and is easily accessible. By default, double tapping these touch surfaces skip to the next track, but this behavior can be changed using the OnePlus Hey LED app for non-OnePlus devices or any OnePlus phones. You can also tap and hold to switch between paired Bluetooth devices, and the Buds Z feature an in-ear detection to automatically pause or resume playback when you remove or place them in your ears. The call quality on the Buds Z was very good, and I didn't face any complaints from the receiver's end. The dual mic design includes wind and noise reduction during calls, but there is obviously no active noise cancellation for audio playback, but there is a passive noise isolation. So it's also worth noting that these are IP55 water and sweat resistant, so you can use them while working out. The Bluetooth range was really good, and I didn't face any hiccups or disconnection even when I moved to the next room, as these are equipped with advanced Bluetooth 5 technology. The Buds Z are supposed to last 5 hours on a single charge and up to 20 hours for a case and the earbuds combined. But I was able to listen to music for about 4 hours before running out of juice. As for the charging time, I managed to charge the earphones from 0 to 100% in under 1 hour. But with just 10 minutes of fast charging, you can get up to 3 hours of music playback, which is very impressive. Coming to the comfort, there are 3 different tips included with this earphone, so I imagine one of them will fit your ears nicely. I use the default tips and have had no problems whatsoever. The earbuds are angled slightly forward so that sound feeds directly into your skull, and they stay in my ears most of the time. I haven't had any discomfort from these earbuds, and the silicone tips are soft and non-irritating. The latency time of the OnePlus Buds Z is 103 milliseconds, which is only obtainable when the Fanatic mode is enabled on OnePlus devices. So in the normal mode, I noticed minor delays while I played the game Call of Duty Mobile. Even while watching videos, I noticed very minor delay and lip syncing issues. So when it comes to latency, I was not much satisfied with the Buds Z. Now finally coming to the sound quality, the OnePlus Buds Z sound really good in my opinion. The 1cm dynamic driver pumps out good amount of bass and with a punch to it. If you're a bass lover, then these won't get you disappointed. The highs were a bit screechy and lack crispness in high volumes, while these make the Buds Z sound more warmer and analog. The mids on the other hand were really good to my liking. The vocals sounded very crisp and clear, but again at high volume the vocals got kinda lost in the trebles. You can also use one earbud at a time if you don't want to use both the earbuds, and it works well with calls and music, although you won't get that stereo effect which you get while using both the earbuds. I would rate the Buds Z 8 out of 10 purely on music basis and 8.5 out of 10 for the build quality. Finally, as for my verdict, the Buds Z is a nice set of earphones from OnePlus without burning a hole in the pocket. I would highly recommend the Buds Z for those who prefer earbuds with silicone tips, premium design, and those who prefer more bass heavy sound. But if you're someone who prefer neutral frequency response in your music or balanced sound, then you can pay a little extra and go with the OnePlus Buds or look somewhere else. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description if you guys are interested. So guys, that's it for the video and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, then hit the thumbs up button. If you all didn't, you can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you all haven't and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.